Hi, good to have you here. My name is Karen. I'm a super fan of crystals and I make healing stones jewelries. In this video, I will be sharing with you the best crystals for beginners, since many of you have asked, and I will be announcing the winner from last video about Black Tourmaline crystal benefits. Not so many comments for that video, but it was our first interaction on YouTube channel. If you are interested in healing crystals and making DIY jewelries, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So the winner goes to Lisa. Hi Lisa, congratulations. Please contact me as soon as possible and get your gift. Now let's get back to the subject. In my previous videos visiting my crystal wholesalers in Guangzhou City, you will find out that there are so many types of healing crystals in the market. When someone asks me about what kind of crystals he or she should get for the first time, my advice will always be Obsidian or Black Tourmaline and then clear quartz. Obsidian and Black Tourmaline are both associated with your root chakra, the first of your energy center. It keeps you connected and grounded to this earth. They could help you remove negativities and sickness, as well as protecting you in your daily life. Do not underestimate negative energies. They will destabilize you to the point of draining your energies or causing emotional pains. Like you may want to complain a lot for small matters, get angry, get anxious easily. Furthermore, it will trigger certain kinds of illness, the immune system, digestive system, or the endocrine system. So you must first solve the problems from the root cause, get rid of the bads. Here's one question for you. How can you absorb and maintain good energies when the base is imbalanced? So I highly recommend Obsidian stones or Black Tourmaline. Secondly is clear quartz, the king of all crystals. It's considered the most purified and stable crystal in this earth. That's the reason why it has been widely used in Buddhism and Taoism for so many years. Clear quartz is associated with your crown chakra. It could help purify your bodies and minds as a daily wear jewelry and could purify the magnetic fields of your home, your office, or your workshop as the quartz, like the crystal ball, crystal wand, or the clear quartz cluster. The magic of clear quartz is that it will produce continuous and stable vibration frequency through the light that could make your mind clear, refreshed, and focused. When your mind is clear and stable, it will be easier for you to know what you want for your life, a purpose in your life, and how you are going to make it happen. So when your energies of the first chakra, the root, is stable, and the seventh chakra, the crown, is active, the overall energy field of your body has been uplifted. You could immediately feel the difference that, wow, the world is actually wonderful, and you are full of positive energies. You will become fearless to make correct decisions toward the directions. Please keep in mind that healing stones are to assist you to reach a level of a better life. You still need to work on it. Money and health won't just fall from the sky with you doing nothing. And with my 9 years of real cases studies, locally and globally, combining Buddhism, Taoism, Reiki healing, and the yoga therapy knowledge, I could say that Black Tourmaline and clear quartz is the best pair of crystals, not only for beginners, for everyone. Is it familiar to you? Black and white, day and night, yin and yang? And yes, it's like one of the Asian theory of balancing, the symbol of Tai Chi. And of course, everything must be balanced in Mother Nature, including the energy of your body. Anything you encounter while using healing stones, don't hesitate to leave me comments. I will reply to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.